She's beautiful and she's natural. Spirit of freedom, we love her. We love America.
The Gift Outright by Robert Frost. The land was ours before we were the land's. She was our land more than 100 years before we were her people. She was ours in Massachusetts, in Virginia, but we were England's, still colonials.
We love America.
Possessing what we still were unpossessed by. Possessed by what we now no more possessed. Something we were withholding made us weak, until we found out that it was ourselves we were withholding from our land of living. And forthwith found salvation in surrender. Such as we were, we gave ourselves outright. The deed of gift was many deeds of war, to the land vaguely realizing westward, but still unstoried, artless, unenhanced, such as she was, such as she would become.
We love America. Wherever you are, nothing can separate, near or far. She's beautiful and she's natural,
but still unstoried, artless, unenhanced, such as she was, such as she will become.